Hey, welcome back. I picked up some new angle heads. I'm really excited about them. I am really excited about them. Let me show you them. So, this is my 3-inch angle head. This is my brand new 3.5-inch angle head. This is my brand new 2.5-inch angle head. And this is one of my old 2-inch angle heads. I got these from Drywall Master. And let me show you. I used the 2.5 to tape this, to tape these angles, and oh my gosh, they came out so nice. I did not use the mud runner to tape these with. A lot of times when I'm taping, I fill the mud runner up with the all-purpose in case it needs extra mud. With my 3-inch head, I use a 3-inch head. I've been using a 3-inch head to tape for years. I use the 2-inch head for by the doorways and things like that. Sometimes I've used the 2-inch head to do all of the taping, but this leaves a lot of mud running down the wall. It doesn't really it fills in the angle really well, but it just leaves a lot of mud and it leaves them hollow and things. This 2.5-inch head is perfect. I'll tell you, I used one of these about 15 years ago or so. Absolutely loved it, but then didn't need it anymore because I had already bought a 3-inch head and I wasn't going to spend the money to buy another one. But now I've worn out my angle heads. I needed some new ones. I went and tracked down Drywall Master and I bought 2 angle heads from them. This 2.5-inch and this 3.5-inch. So I'm going to be using this 3.5-inch today. But this is what's really neat about this 3.5-inch. Let me show you. Hopefully I can get this right. Whoopsie. Hopefully I can get this right. But it's got these little things here, right here, these little extra clips, because sometimes you want to take some of the spring off. So you see what that just did? It just took the spring off. So if I pull this out and I slide this down, now I've got more spring here. But if I pull this back and slide this up, I just took that spring off. So it's gonna push in a lot easier. I'm gonna try this. We're gonna see how it goes. But I'm gonna try it both ways. I'm gonna try it with these springs off in the mud runner, and I'm gonna try them with the springs on. In the mud runner. Personally, I think I'm gonna like it better like this because I don't need a lot of mud up there. Those angles are really good. I just gotta skim them tight. And this is gonna skim them tighter with the more spring on there. This should skim them tighter. But I'm really excited. I've never used this head. I've never used a 3.5-inch head before. I'm really excited about using it. That was the first time I've ever used the 2.5. Well, I'm sorry. It's the second time I've ever used a 2.5-inch head. But the first time I used it was over 15 years ago. And I loved it then. It was really, really good then. So I'm glad I own one. And they didn't give me a deal on these. I paid for these. I'm not sitting there telling you how great these are, you know, because they're wanting me to. I'm telling you how great these are because I'm trying them. If I don't like them, I'm going to tell you I don't like them. I really am. So you guys have a good day. I'm excited, and I'm going to show you what this looks like when I'm all done. Okay, I ran the 3-inch head. I love it. I absolutely love it. But I mean, I had to run, just run. I made my mud too thin. Understand, I have 2 mud runners. My one mud runner, the plastic cylinder on it had gotten a crack in it and it was leaking a little bit. It doesn't send the mud out very easy. But again, I got that mud runner. That's the very first mud runner that Tech actually made and sold. I bought it. So I bought it a number of years ago and it's worked just fine. I had one of my suppliers had a bunch of tools at his place and he had a mud runner that he was trying to sell. I told him, buy this, you won't keep them on the shelf. And he had a mud runner he was trying to sell. He couldn't sell it. Somebody took it out, they tried it. They said it was garbage, they hated it. And he gave it to me. So I've got a brand new mud runner that's been used one time that I pulled off the shelf today and started using. And I mean, I have to run. But I made my mud too thin. And this is what happened. See the mud? My old mud runner, I had to have my mud this thin, and it would push it out slowly, and it would work. But this, oh man, I had to just run with it. But my gosh, these angles are like beautiful. I went from, come on, focus in. I don't know why it's not focusing in, but I went from this corner to that corner. That's 24 feet. That's 24 feet. I see it's two 12-footers. From that one corner to the other corner, nonstop at a running pace, and it's perfect. It just turned out beautiful. So yeah, I'm a big fan of these. It's just now I know when I'm running angles again, I got to run a little bit thicker mud. I can't have that thin of mud. It doesn't work. So you guys have a good day. I'll talk to you soon. If you really like these videos, subscribe, share these videos. I've got new camera shots. I've got new sound system. I hope all of the sound quality's better. The camera shots are better. So come and see me on my new channel. Subscribe, share. We hope to see you there. You have a good day.